to Cook and Dine. Ni mimi wenu Dorothy. Leo tena tuko na another recipe ambayo ni rahisi sana, ni my favorite salad ambayo ni chicken salad. Leo tutaitengeneza hapa ukiona, na I hope itakuwa another interesting recipe ambayo tutatengeneza pamoja. So welcome. Nataka tuanze na kuonesha the ingredients ambazo ziko hapa mbele yetu. Hapa of course we have the chicken. Kitu ya kwanza tuko na our chicken breast. Hapa kuna kama around 350 to 400 grams ya breast ambayo iko very clean, tumeshaiosha. Then tuko na our potatoes, tumezichemsha, then we peel them. Hapa kuna our green salad, one green salad, very fresh. Hapa tuko na carrots, fresh carrots, very sweet, italeta sweetness ndani ya salad. Hapa tuko na cucumber, one cucumber. Then hapa tuko na white onions. Then hapa tuko na dania ya kugarnish juu. Of course kuna salt, oil for frying the breast. Then tuko na our salad dressing. My favorite salad dressing ni 1000 Islands. Hii ni American Gourmet, unaweza ipata kwa supermarket, or you can make your own salad dressing at home if you can. Unaweza search salad dressings, unaweza kuweka, or you can make mayonnaise, or you can buy mayonnaise and use instead of the salad dressing. So the first thing we are going to do ni cut up our chicken, then we fry. So the first thing, cut our chicken breast into small cubes. Natoa mifupa ile iko ndani, imebaki kidogo. After chopping our chicken breasts, tutawasha moto. Then you put some little oil. Then we drop in our chicken. You put a pinch of salt. We want to fry them until they are golden brown. So tutaacha hapo zikiendelea kuiva. Then we are going to cut up our starting with the potatoes. Kumbuka tumeboil hizi potatoes, so you just cut into cubes. So you get a big bowl like this. Now tutaanza tu kubuild our salad sasa, kuanzia scratch, kuweka viazi. Now we are done with the potatoes. Very important to weke just a pinch of salt. Then we toss. Then we go to the next vegetable. Tajaribu kukata as straight as possible. Ukiwa na grater, the better. Then tuchukue our onion. Try and cut them thinly. Tukimalizana our onion, just try and break them up. And then zinaingia hapa kwa the bowl. Next tenda kwa carrots. Our last vegetable ni salad. Here you just chop it the way you like it. Me, I just like to roughly chop it. Our salad is slowly coming up, so the only thing remaining is the salad dressing and the chicken and the coriander, the dania. So I think our chicken is ready. Once it has been nicely golden brown, this shows the chicken is ready. It takes about 20 minutes. since it's ziko chopped kidogo kidogo, yani ndogo ndogo, zinaiva haraka. So within 20 minutes huwa zimeiva. Ilikuwa rahisi sana. It takes about less than 20 minutes tutakuwa umemaliza hii recipe. So the next thing is to drop in our chicken. Make sure you scrap out all the small bits, zote ziko na taste. Then this is the bit where we add our coriander kidogo. Take like a spoonful of coriander, dania. Then the magic sauce ambayo ni the dressing, then tumwage ndani. Wow, looks delicious already. So tunaenda ndani tukichanganya. Make sure unaipatia a very good toast, zichanganyikanye zote, kuanzia viazi huko chini mpaka the dressing huko juu. And our salad is ready. Hey, looks yummy. Wow, our salad is looking yummy and I can't wait to taste. Lakini kabla hiyo, please visit our pages, Lolwe TV Kenya, YouTube, Lolwe TV, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Don't forget to share our videos, comment and subscribe to our channel, na pia tuambie how it went, the recipe kama ulijaribu, na pia tuma pictures, tutafurahia sana. So the next thing is to taste, and this is the favorite part. Let me start with a piece of chicken and the lettuce. Super. Inaweza ikula mpaka asubuhi. Very yummy. Thank you so much for being with us today. Leo tumepika very nice chicken salad. Until next time for another super recipe. This is Cook and Dine.